So we'll start with the anime face drawing. For anime face drawing, see, first you have to make an oval like this. This is same for almost all the drawing. Whenever you're trying to make this is a base drawing, so you need to make it absolutely as light as possible. For me, I am making it a little bit dark so that you all can see my video properly. This is how much, this is exactly the double of it, almost. And then the shape will come like this. Specific measurement, estimated it like this is this much, so its double will be almost somewhere over here. Like this has to be 5, again this has to be 10. No, your face can be absolutely big or small. So after this, the main drawing is coming like this. From here also I have to take the same thing down. Just see this distance again, and this distance should be same. This is the center line, so you have to keep that in mind and draw. From here down, I would like to keep it like this, my base drawing, and then I can do the changes accordingly. This becomes my first cutting of the face over here. So the next step is, after we are done with the basic, the outcut of the face, now since I am demonstrating a girl's face, so let me just try to divide the space of the each elements. When I talk of each elements, means face comprises of hair, eyes, nose, ear, all these things. So I have to set a specific space for each of this element. So let me do the space division first, and after that we can start drawing the details accordingly. So for example, I'll show over here. If I want to draw a lady or a girl, something like this, some ponytail like this. This is a realistic way, but I have to do the same thing in a cartoon way. So how to do that? Let me teach you in that way. This can be a realistic character which is available right now, or may not be. Okay, I am just imagining a girl with a ponytail on both the side and trying to draw it and give it a anime character. That's it. Face in this way till this much. Maybe my hairstyle will come here also. Maybe I'll this. Realistic drawing yet. I am just trying to divide the space accordingly, so it will help me. Some hairstyle may come in this way also. The back side. Then I have to decide the space of my eyes. So here I'll try to draw the eyes. See, in anime, eyes are very, very big compared to the face. So I'll try to make a big oval. This will be and this will be the area for lips. So this is my distribution of each element that I'm going to require for the face. Also, I can keep this area as for the ears on both the sides. Ready with the space. Hope this much is fine to all of you. So after I have done the base drawing, let me just erase the unwanted lines right now, which I don't require. So this will come like this. This will come down like this. To do some stands like this. Whatever unnecessary line you don't require, that you can keep on erasing in between. So this is my upper part of the hairstyle which is done. To work on this a bit, which will be, I want to keep it like this, coming very nicely down. I have to balance both the sides, which I did the drawing accordingly. If you see in animated drawing, this kind of curve is used very commonly, either in case of a male or a female hairstyle. This kind of, here also see, it is very uneven, very sharpness of the hair will be shown in this way. Majority times it is shown in this way. So here my hairstyle part is almost done. After that, once my hair is done, I can give it a proper shading so that it looks natural. After I am done with the hairstyle over here, I have given a simple plain layer of a dark shade for the hair. That's it. You can see the edges which are very sharp over here, over this side also. In animated face, the hairstyle, you'll see majority times it is like this, with a very sharp ends over here also. So keep this in mind. Start with the eyes. You can choose your eyes as per your character, since your imagination and my imagination will always differ. As I said, compared to the face, if you see, eyes are very expressive and eyes are very big. Similarly, you have to maintain it. This is not a realistic eye, nor this is a realistic eyebrows. It's just for my character which I have chosen. The same thing with the same distance. Here, this is my center point over here. So accordingly, I have to again start from this side and do the rest of the drawing. Hope this much is clear, the eyes part. After I am done with the hairstyle and with both the eyes, see here, both the eyes should be on the same level. Can you see this level? Can you see this level? Both are matching to each other. Similarly, the level of the eyebrows, one side should match to the other side. Keep all these things in mind to get the face absolutely realistic and beautiful. Now comes the part of the nose. For nose, I have kept a very small space over here. You can put the nose like this, or you can put the nose like this also. Both are correct. I have also seen nose in this way, where there is a small dot like this and something like this. Even this is a nose. It has a very small nose. Female or male, many of the cases I have seen, this is one of the style which they draw. Lips, it is like this. This way, and I'll rub the extra lines. Just little. These are all final finishing. I won't require the extra lines now at all. So need to rub all the extra lines. It's done. So here my eyes are ready, my nose part is ready, which is very small like this. My lips are ready, and the final character of the girl is almost ready. You can put many other things like anything, like some accessories, earrings, bracelet, or you can put a hairband, nice hairband over here, which is absolutely fine. So I hope this tutorial will help all of you to understand the basic drawing of any anime face